Okay guys, today we are going to go to Cheese Bar London, which is this bar or restaurant in Camden Town in London, and they only serve cheese things. It looks really cool and we're excited to check it out.
So this is the menu. As you can see, it's all very much cheese related. Cheese puffs, jalapeno poppers with cheese, mozzarella sticks. You can get kind of cheese fondants, you can get bacon cheeseburgers, you can get macaroni cheese and grilled cheese sandwich. Loads of really tasty looking cheese things.
Right, so we decided that we were going to get 2 starters. One was mozzarella sticks and they're covered in parmesan and they are served with a marinara sauce. And then the second starter we decided to get was some jalapeno poppers and they were served with a garlic and herb dip.
So as you can see, the mains choice is even more difficult. You've got burrata, you've got sort of whole baked cheeses, you've got fondue, and then you've got grilled cheese sandwiches. They're very famous for their grilled cheese. And then you've got all the kind of main courses, tartiflette, raclettes, poutine, so like gravy with chips and cheese curds, 5 cheese macaroni, which looks delicious, and a cheeseburger which has smoked mozzarella on it. So really cool things for main course and a very difficult choice.
So if you don't actually want to go to Camden, they also have another restaurant in Covent Garden and their 7 Dials Market, but they also have a cheese truck in Maltbury Street Market, which happens every weekend.
So if you want to go to the cheese truck, obviously doesn't have the range of food that they have in their menu in their restaurants, but it does have a nice lot of cheese sandwiches or some kind of toasties that look really tasty.
Okay, we just got out of the cheese bar. It's fairly expensive. It cost us, I think, £25, and we had 2 starters and a main. But it's pretty tasty. The mozzarella sticks were some of the best I have ever had, I think, if not the best I've ever had. The jalapeno poppers that we had were pretty good, and the mac and cheese was really, really good. They just piled a load of cheeses in there. It was one of the cheesiest mac and cheese I've ever had, so you can't complain about that.
So there was actually 5 different cheeses in the mac and cheese, and on the menu it actually said that every cheese that they have in the shop is actually British.
So yeah guys, if you want to try some British cheeses and you happen to be in London, definitely check out the cheese bar. It's really tasty. It's quite expensive, but it's not really that expensive compared to other places in London, and really, really tasty.
So thanks for watching guys, and until next time,
See ya.